Good morning, everyone. So today we will see about the nutrition care process. So nutrition is the status of a person which is resulted due to the intake of food and the availability of the nutrients to the body. And the nutrition care process is required for all the persons in the community, as it is a basic and a routine process which is occurring in the human body. And in the nutrition care process, we have four steps. The first one is assessment, diagnosis, intervention, and monitoring and evaluation. We will see one by one in detail. First, the nutrition care process. It is the process which is for identifying, planning, and meeting the nutritional needs. And as you all see that the malnutrition, which is resulted due to the imbalanced intake of nutrients, that is maybe the intake is less and the expenditure is more, or the intake is more, expenditure is less. So due to these imbalances, there will be a malnutrition occurs in the body, and that is increased due to morbidity or the in the hospitals. If you stay more time, that is the duration of the time which you are staying in the hospital, that will also increase the malnutrition and the mortality and the higher cost. It will leads to higher cost, the malnutrition. And the American Dietetic Association suggested the four steps for the nutrition care process. Those are, as we told earlier, it is assessment, diagnosis, intervention, the monitoring and evaluation. In the nutritional assessment, we have a different components which gathers the data on dietary intake and the consequences of health and disease which is related to nutrition, the psychosocial, functional and behavioral factors, the knowledge, readiness and potential for change. And these data which are gathered for the assessment are compared to the standards, which are the set standards from the international institutes, and which helps to identify the possible problem areas. And coming to the first step, that is the diagnosis. First we have to diagnose what actually the problem is, or where the problem is. That we includes nutritional diagnosis. The purpose is to identify and label the nutrition problems. What are the problem is there and how to define those problems includes the diagnosis. And it is not medical diagnosis. We are not interfering with the medical professionals for the diagnosis. The nutritional intervention. The nutritional intervention is the purpose of the nutritional intervention is to plan and implement the actions which are directed towards the addressing the identified nutrition problems. So this nutrition intervention is done to bring the changes and to set goals and expected outcomes, and it is always a client driven. That means where is the problem, there the actions are directed, and it is based on the scientific principles and the best available evidences. Then comes to the nutritional monitoring and evaluation. The purpose of these two are to determine the progress. That means whatever you are taking the actions, whether they are in right directions or not, to decide that the monitoring and evaluation is necessary. And the monitoring involves the reviewing and the measurement of a status at scheduled times. So when you done the intervention, then to see the progress of those things, you need to review the whatever your actions are there. So to review the actions, you need to make the measurements or to gather the data on periodic basis. Evaluation is what? So evaluation is whatever the data you have gathered, that will be compared with the previous status or with the reference standards. That is the monitoring and evaluation. So these are the these are the four steps which are involved in nutrition care process. So this is about the nutrition care process.